Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to extract sound from a video in CapCut. So here I've already have a video and I want to add a sound from a video. So what you need to do is you can just click on add audio at the bottom of the video, or you can also click on audio at the toolbar right here. And here you need to go to extracted, click on that, and here choose the video that you want to extract its sound. For example, I want to extract this video, import sound only. Okay, so now the video the sound of that video will be has been extracted, and you can just listen it to see if it match your video. Okay, so yeah, I think that's all for me. That is how you can extract sound from a video in CapCut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you on the next videos. Bye.